Assalamualaikum students. Today I will deliver the lecture of SST of 6th class. Students, I hope you will be fine and you have learned the previous lesson. In previous lecture we have discussed about the civilization of Indus Valley, that how it ended. Now our today's topic is the Aryans. We will discuss about the Aryans. Students, basically Aryans were nomads. They were from mountainous region. They had no concept of farming. They had strong religious beliefs. They were from the Central Asia. Now I am going to read this topic from the book. The Aryans from the Ural Mountains near Russia entered this region around 1750 BCE through the Hindu Kush Mountains in the north of Pakistan. Student, firstly, before BC stand for before Common Era. स्टूडेंट्स जो आर्यंस थे वो रशिया से हिंदू कुश माउंटेन्स के ज़रिए पाकिस्तान के नॉर्थ में 1750 में दाखिल हुए. By 1500 BCE, they had settled down in a large area and followed their own way of life. 1500 BC में वो एक लार्ज एरिया में पनाह गिज़ी हुए और अपने ही ज़िंदगी के तौर तरीक़ों को फॉलो किया. Since they were nomads from a mountainous region, they had no concept of agriculture and depended on the local people to teach them farming. Students, when Aryans lived in mountainous region, they had no concept of agriculture. That's why they depended upon local people. They progressed rapidly, however, and settled down in villages under Rajas, giving up their nomadic ways. उन्होंने तेज़ी से तरक्की की और राजाज के अंडर जो विलेजेस थे वहाँ वो पनाहगज़ी हो गए और अपनी नोमैडिक वेज को गिव अप कर दिया. दे हैड स्ट्रॉन्ग रिलीजियस बिलीव्स. वो मजबूत मजहबी अकायद रखते थे. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, मूव टू नेक्स्ट पेज. स्टूडेंट्स, हियर आर 4 castes of India. According to this caste system, they have distributed people and assigned them various tasks. Now, first caste is a Brahmin Pandit थे and they belong to highest caste. The Kshatriyas were warriors, the second highest caste. Kshatriyas सिपाही थे and they belong to second highest caste. Okay, the third caste is Vishays. The Vishays were traders and farmers. Vishays ताजर थे और किसान थे and they belong to third caste. The Shudras were the lowest caste. Their job was to serve the other 3 castes. Shudras सबसे लोएस्ट कास्ट थी. उनका काम दूसरी जो कास्ट थी उनकी खिदमत करना था. Now we have read about the caste system of India. Now come to challenge on page number 9. Now we will read about the historians. Why historians named this city Mohenjo-daro. Students, Mohenjo-daro literally translated means land of the dead. That's why historians named this city Mohenjo-daro. Now you will learn all these questions from page number 9 and from page number 8. Okay guys, now we will meet in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.